believe in the old time way. I believe in the power that parted the water for the children of Israel that day. And if you want to have a bright home in heaven, believe in the old time way. In the power that can move a mountain, I believe in the old time way. In the old time sing and shout, I believe in the old time way.